Good day, Doctor. Our group is going to present on the article which is titled COBERT, COVID-19 Question Answering System using BERT. So our group member consists of me, Wan Ying, Loi Yi Hang, and Muqri. So first we look at the problem statement. The first problem is difficult to keep track of the latest research as there are actually dozens of research papers being published for this topic. And then next, frontline workers require expert-specific methods to understand the literature. So the literature needs to be reviewed carefully as the wrong decision will actually have a negative impact on the society and the world. So next we look at the objective. The objective is to create a framework focusing on an end-to-end closed domain question answering system and analysis on a standard benchmark showing improvement over the past work. So the system will actually take the queries from the user as an input and then generate the most accurate responses consisting of answer, type of literature, and the whole paragraph of the literature. So next we look at the methodology. First one, we look at the closed domain question answer CDQA search. So this search deals with the question under the specific domain only. And then next we look at the retrieval pipeline. So whenever there is a query, the retriever will select the articles and then evaluate the cosine similarity and then come up with the articles that has the highest score. And then for the reader pipeline, you can look at the figure. So the reader will use the most likely document ranked by the retriever and then split the articles in paragraphs to find the answers.
My name is Muqri. So firstly, BERT, it is a neural model for natural language processing that uses pre-training and bidirectional processing to improve performance. It has two architectures, which is BERT-based and also BERT-large. It is used for tasks like question answering. BERT learns word context by analyzing words in both directions. The next slide, DistillBERT, it is a compressed version of BERT, a transformer-based model used for natural language processing. It has 40% fewer parameters, making it cheaper, smaller, faster, and lighter than BERT. Despite its smaller size, DistillBERT performs similarly to BERT with a 97% performance on the GLUE benchmark. It has 6 layers, 768 dimensions, and 12 heads, totaling of 66 million parameters. Next is the ranker. Ranker is a system that helps find the best answers to a question. It uses two models, retriever and reader, to score potential answers based on how well they match the question. The top 3 answers are presented and the system considers how similar the potential answer is to the question using a method called cosine similarity.
For the dataset, COBERT system used the dataset of COVID-19 which contain research papers from all around the world. In pre-processing, the files are stored in JSON format with chunk size 10,000 and processed into a .csv file with different attributes. The DistillBERT model will be trained on SQuAD 1.1 using knowledge distillation. In the prediction part, a list of queries are used, and during each batch of retrieval fitting, prediction of the queries are done simultaneously and stored in the form of data frame which contains different attributes. Final score columns with the higher score is used to produce the output. For evaluation, we have 3 steps. First, convert Panda data frame into JSON file. Next, using CDQA annotator to add ground truth question-answer pairs. And finally, the exact match and F1 score metric are used to evaluate. In metric, we have exact match and F1 score. Exact match score is 1 if predicted answer exactly matches the ground truth answer. F1 score is used to measure the similarity to the ground truth and the harmony between recall and precision. Here is the result showing where the system is able to show the answer after getting the query from the user. In the model comparison, we have 3 different models. The proposal model, DistillBERT, has obtained the highest EM score of 81.6 and a comparable F1 score of 87.3.
Okay, for conclusion, COBERT is a system that helps researchers and clinical workers to quickly find scientific information. It has 3 parts that work together to match queries with a large number of documents. The system is very portable and has been found to be consistent by users. It uses a model called DistillBERT, which is good at understanding long documents, and COBERT has the potential to help scientists fight pandemics. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.